Hey people, my name is Ben from AG Labs Germany. Apfeldoktor is our name in Germany, AG Labs is our international name. And today I want to present you something new which Union Repair mailed me yesterday. Yesterday the package came in and they just mailed me the new B box, the JC DFU C3 box. So in the last month a big thing around the whole world was you can easily change NAND data or unbind Wi-Fi on devices which support the checkmate exploit on all the iPhones. So you can just easily change the Wi-Fi serial, you can unbind Wi-Fi, you can change the serial of the whole phone without disassembling the phone. This was really a big thing. So there is one possibility: you take a Mac in combination with the Purple tool by Julius Zampetti. That's a really great thing. It was the first which came. So you just could take the Purple tool, and after using the Purple tool you could take the engineering cable, the Alex cable, or the DFU Box C2 in combination with the JC repair suite, and there you could unbind Wi-Fi and things like that. The other way was using the iRepair box or the iBox Mini in combination with the software to get the phone into Purple mode with Windows, and then change serial and things like that. And now we have a third possibility. It's the DFU Box C3, the B box from JC, and I want to show you how easy that works. So we go to the on-hands camera and clean the table a little bit so it looks it looks more better. Here we have the package, and on unboxing we see the DFU Box C3 B box with a lightning cable. So you can just take out the DFU Box C3. Here we have the first one, the C2, and here we have the C3. So C2 is out now, and we use the C3. So what we need is an iPhone. Here we have an iPhone 8 in this case, and a lightning cable which is connected to your PC, and we need a software, in this case the JC repair suite in the latest version. So we start the JC repair suite. Here, okay, and here we are. This is the JC repair suite. Yes. So now we just have a look that you can see all. Okay, what we need is this phone, and we need the box, and we need to connect the box. Okay, so we just clear that display. And now we need to get the phone into the DFU mode. Okay, in this case, 1, 2, 3. Waiting until the screen is getting black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release the side button and hold volume down. Oh no, doesn't work. 1, 2, and again. Sometimes you need a little bit of time for doing that. Waiting until the screen is getting dark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release the side button and keep pressing the volume down button. And now we have a phone connected at DFU mode. If we are at DFU mode, we just need to click on connect here. If you are using the DFU Box C3, the B box, for the first time, and you click on connect, the system upgrades this box. You need the JC repair suite in the latest version 120040, and if I click on connect now, you see the B box is going online here. And now we can just easily push the button here, just click on purple screen and wait what's going on, because that's really amazing. you can see, sending image, and now we are going to the purple mode. Easy, easy, we are at the purple mode. And now we can just easily say, okay, we want to query info, and we want to, let me see what you see here. So perhaps we do it like that so you can see all. Okay. So we can now unlock Wi-Fi if we want to do so. We click just on unlock Wi-Fi. Easy. We can click on initialization, or we can say, okay, query info, and we could now say we want to change the last number of the serial number. You see, successfully changed. Okay, so if I say now, okay, that has been done, query info again, and we see, okay, we have changed the serial number, and now we just click on that image here to exit purple. Now the serial of the phone changes and we can't activate anymore the phone. I do it just for showing you how fast and easy this works. We wait, and after the phone has booted, it takes a little time, and then it tells us, no, you can't activate me anymore because my serial has changed. And this is in cases of you want to do a change on the NAND. It's crazy. It's you don't need to disassemble the board, to desolder the NAND, to put it into a programmer. Here you can see the serial number has changed to the 8 at the end, and now the phone will say no activation possible. Okay, let's get it back to the DFU mode, then to the purple mode, and change the serial back to the right one. So we go again to the DFU mode. And here we are. Now we click on purple. What's going on? Entering, you can see it on the box. Successfully iBoot, sending iBoot image. And wait a second. And we are at the purple mode again. So now we just click on query info here, and we change the last digit to 9 again. Then we click on write. Okay, successfully query info. All is nice. We can do an unlock. Wi-Fi has been repaired. Okay, and we click on exit purple. The phone boots again. And after that, I'm pretty sure that we can activate the phone again, and that is really crazy. We have an all-in-one software because we have all the other functions of the JC Repair Suite in the Repair Suite integrated, and now we can just use the B-Box to get phones into the purple mode with a Windows PC. That's a big advantage, a really big advantage, because otherwise, if we use other tools, sometimes we need a Mac, and a lot of people in the world don't have a Mac. So for me, I use all, no problem. But this is really a great thing, because this B-Box is really fast and easy. Just get it onto the PC to USB port by just using a normal cable, plug it into the phone, and bam, you can just change NAND data without any problem in a really, really fast and easy way. You can get this DFU Box C3, the B-Box, on unionrepair.com. So it's easy, and you can see the phone is here again. Great. Yeah. So this was just the easy way I wanted to show you how the B-Box, the DFU Box C3 works. Get it at unionrepair.com. Thanks to my friend Sven, who sent the box to me for review. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions regarding the B-Box, the DFU Box C3, if I can help you, I want to do, just give me a comment and order that pretty nice thing on unionrepair.com. I'm out. We see us with the next one. Yours, Ben.